welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are going to, going to review the new MAC New Year's collection. I believe it's called New Year's Lunar. I don't even know what that is, but it's the MAC New Year collection, and it contains 5 lipsticks, 1 eyeshadow palette, and 1 blush. So let's start with the lipsticks. Okay, so first of all, look at the packaging. This is so damn pretty. It's like an ombre yellow pink packaging with a gold circle. It is everything. It is so freaking beautiful. So yeah, I'm just gonna take the lipsticks. I'm going to apply it on my lips. I'm not gonna use lip liner because I really want you to see the shades. And let's get started. Okay, so the first one is called To Luck. This is a matte lipstick and now this is pretty. It's a, what is it? I don't know. I think it's kind of a red, but then also a little bit of pink. It's pretty. I like this. Again, this is the shade, well, Pretty Lucky Girls with these lips. Love it. And I love the fact that it's not a retro matte, but just a normal matte. So it's wearable and it's not going to give me dry lips. Second shade is called Good Health. This is a satin lipstick. This is that perfect summer coral pink. Pink, is it pink? Yeah, it's pink. Coral pink shade kind of thing. I like this. Yeah. Looks good. Shade number 3 is called Peachy New Year, and ooh, I almost broke this one. Anyway, color number 3, and this is a satin. Please don't mind the application. Okay, so this shade actually looks like the previous one, only this one is a bit more vibrant, like a bit more peachy. Maybe because it's called Peachy thingy. What is it? Peachy New Year. I don't know what I think about this shade. I think I could wear it, but then I definitely had to wear like a lip liner, a darker lip liner, but I wouldn't wear it on its own. That's just not something I like. Anyway, color number 3. And for color number 4, it is called Prosperity. And this is a matte one. And ooh, I don't know if this is going to look good on me. This is bright. This is a very bright shade. No, I don't think Prosperity is my shade. Not a fan, to be honest. But I think on different skin tones, maybe people with like 2 or 3 shades lighter, I think I would like it. Maybe you're my skin tone and you like this shade, but for me, it's just not my taste. Last but not least, we have Pure Happiness. Oh, hopefully this lipstick will make me happy. And it is a cream sheen. I would never take this lipstick if I saw it somewhere because I don't. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie's world. No. No, this is not my shade. I don't like this. It doesn't look good on me. Not really Pure Happiness. It's more like, ooh, what do you have on your lips? So no, this is not really my shade, but doesn't matter. Maybe it's your shade. Who knows? I'm going to remove it, and I like the first lippy the most, so that's the shade I'm going to wear. Okay, so now that we're done with the lipsticks, we have two more products, one eyeshadow palette and one blush. The blush is called Love Token / Long Life and Happiness, and it is a duo blush with a very light pink shade and light peachy shade. I mixed it with my bronzer just to have a little bit of the blush. But to be honest, I do not like these colors. It is way too light for me. It is way too bright. I mean, I don't like bright pink blushes. It just doesn't look on my skin tone. I think if you're a little bit lighter than me, it will be fine. I mean, the packaging is bomb, but I don't think the colors itself are really my thing. So yeah, the blush, no, I'm not really a fan of. Sorry. Okay, so these are the two shades. I hope the camera is picking up these shades. This is the pink one and this is the peachy one. Do you now see what I mean? Like, these shades are way too bright and way too light for me. On lighter skin tones, this will look phenomenal, especially the peachy one. I love the shade, but unfortunately on my face, it's kind of a no. But then we have a eyeshadow palette. This is called Luck and Fortune Eyeshadow ×9. I'm wearing it on my eyes today. I filmed a tutorial on it. And yeah, let's do some swatches. Okay, so I am not like the best person when it comes to swatches, and I try to make the swatches as like thick as possible so you can see it, but the problem is the shades are so light, obviously, except for this one, the dark brown, and well, surprise, my skin is brown, so the colors are not really showing. I like the brown one. I like this one here. This one I used on my eyes, the brown one and this one. And then I have this glittery shade here on my eyelids. This is what I'm wearing. And, you know, it is a cute palette. It's cute, like very soft colors. Actually, it looks like a summer palette instead of a New Year palette. I don't know. I don't even know what a New Year's palette is, but it's kind of summer colors, and it's very cute. Like, it reminds me of candy, the packaging, the shades. Yeah, and to be honest, I'm not really a fan of the dark brown shade. I couldn't really blend it that well. It's not the best eyeshadow formula MAC has. I don't know if they changed it, but it was kind of hard to blend. But you will see what I mean when you look at the tutorial when I'm using the shades. So yeah, these are the eyeshadow shades. I'm sorry for these bad swatches, but yeah. It's just not showing. So yeah, guys, that was a video of the new MAC New Year's collection. I have kind of mixed feelings about this collection. I love the lip I'm wearing. Like, this is a very, very nice shade because it's not a typical color, and that's what I like when it comes to lipsticks. The blush is obviously too light. It doesn't look good on me at all. And of course, I'm wearing it right now, but I also have a lot of bronzer, so it's just a tiny bit pink, and I don't like pink blushes. I do like peachy blushes, but this one it's just too light for me, so that's a shame. And the eyeshadow is pretty. It is a very pretty palette, but it's just too sweet for me. I don't know. Apparently, I'm not so sweet. I don't know. Like, these cute colors, I don't really like cute colors. And this one, I don't know, this brown shade is not really that good. But for those of you guys who are more into natural makeup, you will love this palette. You can definitely make some pretty eyelids with it, but it's just going to keep the makeup a little bit more natural. And when it comes to the lipsticks, a few of them were obviously too light for me. You could already see that. And yeah, that was actually it. So it's kind of a mixed feeling. And should I advise you to buy it? Yes, because the packaging is gorgeous. And I am a sucker for packaging. So yeah, I want to thank you so much for watching. Did you buy the collection? What did you buy? And what is your opinion? Please let me know down in the comment section down below. And keep on watching if you want to see the tutorial. And what do I need to tell you more? Nope, that's it. Thank you.